Yeah, what's up, bro? How you doing, bro?
Okay, how you doing?
Everywhere good, everywhere good. My name na I'm Black. I think know you.
Okay, my name na Kali.
Kali, Calabar, Kali waiting.
Kali G.
Kali G, bad guy. Hey, Kali G. If you check, as at the time of Buhari, from that 2020 to that 2023, if I'm not mistaken, if you check 2000, then give me 2000, refuse and cook soup well. Now, during Tinubu regime, if then give you 2,000 naira, what do you feel say, always soup if it's 2,000 and people for you?
They need to tell man now, based on trust, on how it be like this. If you give me food now, I will use and cook food when I will chop for money, chop for afternoon, chop for evening time. Now what for you?
Soup we go chop morning, afternoon and evening time. With 2K, then I want to do one.
See, on how it be like this, let me say I get only salt for house, I don't get maggi, I don't get anything. I will use I fit buy egg.
Things say they wise.
2 egg, 200. That's 400. 2 egg. I buy Maggi. 100 naira. That is how much? 300. I come buy pepper 100. Buy fish 100. How much be that? 600. I be 700.
Now soup by the talk.
Now they tell you.
You get it?
If I buy all those things now,
if you don't get it,
I use and put that egg. I go chop. I go still buy garri inside. So I go use and chop for money time. Chop up afternoon. Chop up evening. Let me see if I know what to do egg now. I go just say okay, no wahala. I go just buy maybe this dry okra. I just buy dry for sachet at 250. Two how much? 500. I buy pepper 100. Buy how they call am fish 100. Buy maggi 100. How much? 800. Then I go use 200. Buy small pomo. So I go put inside. Then the 1K where remain, I go buy garri 600 for the rika. I use that one where I just buy small panla. I don't put that soup. I will use that soup to chop the.
Or you know if you say such soup no dey healthy.
I no take that nowadays we know they talk about it. They talk about things that will make your belly full. One day in the time of Tinubu. That be that now.
So that means say 2K arrange soup for you be that.
So they tell man now. Okay. I will use that cook food where I go chop.
Okay, now viewers, you don't hear now. My guy here say. If you get 2,000 naira, say 2,000 I go pay cool soup for am. Though me I don't know the kind of way they talk. According to Ryan say na egg soup, I be na you go buy a sachet of okra. When I don't hear from him mouth now, maybe if you go try me, but for me, I know sure say 2K pay cool soup. But my guy say 2K go cool soup.
My brother, you dey cook for different type of food.
Oh yeah, now no one like that. All right, now my guy.